The Cuisinart Elemental 8 food processor. Yeah, so my wife wanted a food processor and I was searching online. I was watching some comparison reviews. This thing should be really powerful for its money, and it competes with the most expensive. Some tests show the more expensive stuff work a little bit better, but I didn't see a great difference. This product should satisfy the general needs of a household. You know, we're not professional cooks. Oh, nice big instruction manual. Oh, there's some recipes. It's a big booklet. I'm not gonna go through every page, but you guys get it. Oh, what's this? Just a quick operation. All right, let's see what's inside. Oh, this box holds some stuff. Oh, those are the blades. Let's pull them all out. Oh, nice. They actually included which blade is which right here on this part, which is engraved. I can feel it. And this one is for medium shredding, and this one is for fine slicing. So the different side gives you a different purpose. So fine slicing on this side and fine shredding on this side. Take these away and let's open this up. Oh, this thing is huge. Wow, I thought it would be like a blender size, but it's massive. Compared to other blenders, this thing is massive. Whoosh. Nice. Just a regular port. No buttons on the back. No buttons here. Just these 4 buttons, which are rubbery. Nice if your hands are wet or slippery. You have some grip. There's 2 LED lights that indicate at what speed. On and off button and pulsing, which most of us are gonna use most of the time. Clicks in place, one hand. Nice. Nice. This is the feeder. Not a huge opening, so if you guys wanna slice some potatoes, you might have to cut them in halves. And this should be the blade. Let's check it out. When you first see this product, you don't know where to grab, so it's very well packaged with this protection for the blade, so you don't cut yourself accidentally. And again, this blade is laser sharp. I don't know if you can pick this up on camera, but it looks like a shaving blade. It's super precise, super thin. And that's it. Nothing over here except this sticker, which is going out. So it chops, slice, puree, shred. Nice. It should do everything we need in the kitchen at home. There's some measurements on the side here, and it's see-through, so you can see what you put inside, how well it's mixed, and this will not get covered by the food. These little markings. Max liquid over here, so about a little bit over half full is max liquid. But if you're doing something dry, maybe like chopping some cashews, the max is almost like very close to the top. And the handle is screwed in, but you can take it off. I guess if it breaks, you can buy a replacement part. That's nice. Should be a quick and easy assembly. I'll try to do it one hand. Blade. insert and twist, and it just clicks in place and it's solid. Like I'm picking the whole thing up with the handle. Nice. They made it simple, easy to clean. I think it's a good choice for the money. So if you're interested in a food processor and you don't know how it will perform, you can also check out my other YouTube channel, which I'll leave the link down below, and you can see how I use this machine and what it does for me. And if you're happy with my results, you can buy it yourself. I'll provide a link for that as well down below. There you go, guys. Another great product. Have a great day, guys, and stay positive.